If you live in Lakeland, Florida, you might wonder whether homeowners are expected to pay for tree trimming. The answer depends on ownership and local guidelines, so here's a quick breakdown. Generally, if the tree is on your property, the trimming cost is your responsibility. Trees shared along property lines may require shared decisions. Factors like height, access, and overall condition can also affect pricing. Checking city rules helps avoid confusion. For reliable guidance, Lyons Family Tree Care can explain how local standards apply. Understanding ownership and local policies makes it easier to know who covers tree trimming costs in Lakeland.